Hello, Paul again here from EMD Automotive. Today we just finished putting all the wiring harness properly and actually put the insulation around it. So as you can see, it's all taped up here, and we've got the actual silicone inside here already done to stop the water from getting in. So actually the wiring harness has been done here, this side here as well, under there. If you follow it here, this one goes down to the actual, this one here. And then we have another wire here for the reverse light, that's done as well, running through here, running through there, comes to here, to there, and then goes into here, goes into there, another one there. So we're going to just put some more on this side here. So we're going to put some more on this wiring harness here, because that one there goes to the side of the tank. This one here, someone's repaired it but didn't put a insulation there, so we're going to put some insulation, heat protection like this one here, to stop it from actually melting on that wiring there. And then that part there, we're going to double check that earth there as well, make sure that earth is good, and then pretty much put everything back together, and then we'll go from there. But we're going to show you, just pick that one up, let's put it there. Here, we're going to show you anyway how it works before we put everything back on, just for now. Alright, that's alright. Let me just grab the little key. Just want to show you anyway. So we put a new a flasher relay here. That's for your flasher relay for your indicators, you know, and the hazard light. This one here is a flasher relay. This one here is not a Porsche one, it's made by Triton. Yeah, I do sell them, so if you want some. So now we're going to test the lights to make sure it works. Alright, as you can see, they're not flashing quick anymore, and that one's clicking properly. That's your flasher relay. Alright, so you know where it is on the 911. They're just there. Alright, let's go back to the back, have a look before we put everything back together. Left indicator. The other video I had before, this was flashing very quick because the relay was faulty. Alright, park is on, park is off, park is on, brake on, reverse light. So everything's working now. Now we're going to put everything back together, and then I'll start doing the tuning of the actual engine, make it run better than before, and then we'll go from there. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.